Righty then. The next thing we have to find on the really big thing list is something really big. It starts with the letter B.
Something really big that starts with the letter B.
Uh-huh.
I'll find it.
Good luck.
What are we waiting for, Bird?
Oh, that's right, Snuff. Let's find something really, really big that starts with the letter B.
Yep.
Snuffy and I found some stuff that begins with the letter B. See? Look, a bib from baby Natasha.
Yeah, and a bagel that we got over at Hooper's.
And even Bob loaned us his banjo. See? Over
Good
from
Bird.
Alabama. Yeah, there's a bib, and a bagel, and a banjo. And Snuffy, they all start with the letter B.
Yeah, Bird, but none of these things are very big.
Oh, yeah.
And we need something that starts with B that is big, Bird. Big.
Snuffy, what did you say?
I said we need something big, Bird. We need something big, Bird.
Snuffy, you are a genius. We have something, or someone, big, who begins with the letter B.
Who?
Me. Me, Big Bird. Big Bird begins with the letter B.
You're right, Bird. We found you.
Hey, let's go show me to Zoe.
She'll never find something bigger than you, Bird.
Never.
Come
Let's
on.
go.